Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how can we convert multi-sheet Excel data into individual JSON data, right? This was actually one of the questions asked by one of the viewer. So let me just put up the question. So this is the question raised by Nanda Kumar. Great video, but one doubt. What if I have multiple sheets in one xlsx file? So one Excel file, one workbook can have multiple sheets. So I want to get individual JSON file for each sheet. Any idea? So this is the video. For this video he has commented. This video was nothing but just converting the Excel data into JSON, just printing into JSON format. So let me open the multi-sheet Excel data here. So this is my simple Excel data which I have created. This is sheet 1. It has 2 rows, 3 columns. A, B, C are the column names. 1, 2, 3 are the data. Sheet 2 has D, E, F as a column name, 4, 5, 6 as a column values. So it has 3 rows, 3 columns and 2 rows for both the sheets. Without any further ado, let us start the program. So in the program, guys, we can easily follow the same methods what I have followed in the same video. Now let us see the program. First I'll write xlsx. We need a package for that. So I'll write require package. I'll write xlsx. This is the package we require. Now we need a dataPathExcel. What was the dataPathExcel before? dataPathExcel. It is nothing but exact location of an Excel file which we are going to convert. So it is nothing but multi-sheet data.xlsx file. This file basically we are going to convert. So we'll write that down. Now we will take a workbook right now. In the workbook previously, okay, let us see the normal approach what we do. So let us see workbook equal to, so as xlsx read file will be there for this. So it will actually read the file. What file we have to read? So dataPathExcel. Now here we'll get a simple scenario. So this will have directly 2 sheets. So if I give just sheet to JSON, what I have given in that video, it will directly read the first sheet, whatever the sheet we have. So for that we can take a simple loop. So I'll take a for loop. For I let I equal to 0 and I less than. So wb, if you put dot, you'll get sheetNames as the method. If you put dot, we can get length here and then I plus plus. Just increment the value. Inside that we can easily write var sheetName. This sheetName and the method are different. This is just a variable which I am writing now. I'll put wb dot. Now I'll need sheetNames of I. So we'll basically iterate in a loop. Number of, it can be number of sheets. Okay. So now I'll put var sheetValue. So sheetValue equal to wb.Sheets of sheetName. So what is the sheet name it is? It can be sheet 1, it can be sheet 2, etc. Now var excelData equal to, so xlsx we have a method called utils. So utils dot, we have method called sheet to JSON, and what you need, like what value do you need? So I need the sheet value. So let me just print for the time being console.log excelData, and I'll also put right. So console.log, just to differentiate whether it is reading properly, just I'll put a line in between. So here we have to add this method sheet.JSON. We should not have sheet add JSON. So now let us execute it. See, now we got one JSON here, which is A1, B233 and D4, E5, F6. So now, how can we tell whether they are properly generated? We can actually save the file, right? So for that, guys, let me create one more package. We need one more package, fs package. So let require fs. Now what I'll do, in this package after console.log, I'll paste this one here from JSON to HTML. I've copied it. So here, JSON to HTML, we need Excel to JSON, and I'll concatenate it with I'll write it here, sheet of I dot JSON. So Excel to JSON sheet of 1 or 2 dot JSON, I'll write, and always I'll copy this one. So what are the value, and then I'll write JSON file is created. We can write JSON dot stringify of excelData. Now let me run once again. Let me run now. So these two have been generated. So let us go to E, and you can see here this JSON file is generated. This JSON file is also generated. So with one Excel, we had multi-sheet data, and we have converted the data to JSON Excel data. Hope you would have liked the video, guys, and hope Nandakumar, your doubt would have got clarified. Hopefully, if you find any other method to convert multi-sheets to different JSON, individual JSON in a simple way, let me know in the comments below. But for now, if you really like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.